Hello everyone. I'm so excited. Finally, I waited like 2 weeks on this. The One Funnel Away Challenge. So I just got it off my porch about 2 hours ago. So I've been sitting here talking to my girls while I was making some tuna fish. That's for dinner. And I'm going to open it because I said I was going to share it with you guys when I opened it. So I'm opening up my box. And let's see what's in here. What's in the One Funnel Away? So some paperwork. Then we got this. Let's see. I know he said this is like a MP3 player and you can hook it up. Like in my car, I have a little jack that communicates with this so I can hook it up and it'll play. It'll play pretty much the 30-day challenge. All the interviews and the behind the scenes, it will play it. So you get this. And if you don't have that component in your car, you can always put your headphones in. So I'm going to show you if you can see it. So it comes with the MP3 player. And like I said, all of the interviews from the One Funnel Away Challenge is on this little MP3 player. And it comes in this box, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to be listening to this. And let's see what else. He has something on the inside of the box. You can read it when you get yours. You suddenly lose everything 30daychallenge.com. What would you do from day 1 to day 30 to save yourself? That's what he says. So if you remember last year, he did the same, challenge, and now it has been packaged in this book in an updated version. I know this is super thick. It's like 550, 90 something pages, but this is good to go in your library. I'm building a library. So I ordered his most recent ClickFunnels books because they come in hardcover now. The most recent one I got was like a little pamphlet. Is small, but this one has everything, like what they would do from day 1 to day 30 to build their business back. If you lose everything along with your email address, your business, what would you do to get your business back cranked up again? That's what this book is about. Okay, let's see. I don't want all this stuff all over the place, so I'm trying to work around it. Now you get the One Funnel Away workbook with everything in it for you to really work your business. Who is this kit for? Everyone. If you have a wig business, like you do any type of business online, you really need ClickFunnels. Like you need it. Or your business gonna be difficult. He simplifies everything. I like Russell Brunson because he break everything down as if you were two and make you understand what it is that's going on. Okay, with this kit, you get video access. It's like a 30day.com is what it's called. You create an online account once you actually pay for the 30-day challenge, and you can log in and look at every video, every interview of I think he said it was like so many people. It's 700, 800 people have 7-figure funnels. Like they have created $1 million funnels. Of course, he gave them awards for that. But he reached out to them to see if they would do the challenge for him. He said so many people responded and they decided to tell you what they would do, or some of them broke down. They actually shared their funnel and the steps and how they created in their vision behind the funnel and why they did it, the copyright, and the products they chose, everything. The reason why you may be struggling with the product or service is be just these simple. You're lacking information. It's something your business is missing. It's not the product. It's not the service. It's actually the information that you need to help you set up the steps to present the product in a certain way that will make someone want to buy it. Okay. So hopefully, just my quick review. I opened it up in front of you guys, so I have not dug in. However, when I purchased this, it came with the 30 videos. I looked at those videos. I fell asleep to those videos. I fell asleep with my computer in my bed every night. When I went to bed, I always was looking at the videos just to see these people recreate their funnels, and like I said, the psychology behind why they did what they did. If you really have a heart of an entrepreneur and you know for a fact this is what you want to do and you're tired of working for people, then you need the proper information to build a legitimate, solid online business. And I think Russell Brunson couldn't have did it any better than what he is doing it, you guys. I'm really digging into this content and I'm having aha moments every day. Every time I read a sentence, a paragraph, I'm like, whoa, this is why, this is why, and this is why, and whoa, and this is the steps that I was missing, and this is the reason why I'm not getting the response or reaction that I want from a particular product and service. So I think I have some pretty good businesses and good solid foundation. I just needed that extra push. I was missing something. I was told by someone that if you are not quite where you want to be, it's because you lack the information you need to get you there. So you need to seek out that information to get you to the next step or the next level in your business, right? So that is exactly what I'm doing. I want to create $1 million funnel. So you're just one funnel away, is what he say. And you just that one funnel away. And then you have copyright issues. You may not be able, you don't know what to say. You don't know how to present a product in such a way, again, to make someone want to purchase it. So the link for 30-day challenge will be below this video. If you have a Shopify store already, you have some type of product or service that you provide spiritual service to people, is anything that you do and you're not quite getting the traction that you need to grow your business, then this would be the product that you would need to purchase to level up your business. Until next time, you guys, I'm about to leave back out because I'm riding with my daughter to the store. And I hope this helped. I hope my review helped you make a decision. I'll talk to you later. Bye.